Here's another collection that I have from PolishCon in 2017. These are also indie polishes. The name of the company is called Glisten and Glow. There were a couple of other things I grabbed. One which was a latex barrier. We'll not be swatching that, but this is it right here. It's called Control-Alt-Delete, and it works really nice. That's what I've been using lately. And then I also had grabbed a base coat. I don't have it in front of me, so I can't show you guys, but it's a clear, like a clear green. But when you apply it, it's clear. It doesn't stay green on your nails. Anyway, we are going to be swatching these for you guys on a nail wheel like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get that started soon. Before I start swatching, I just wanted to mention one thing. I noticed that when I went to go record another clip, another brand was also in the video, which is Girly Bits. That will not be included in these swatches. So just to let you know, I am taking that out. So I have actually a total of 7 different colors from Girly Bits, not including the latex barrier and the base coat that I got. So let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start with this one right here. This one is called Shiny and Shy, and this was released in 2017. Very pretty. Most of the polishes that I grabbed when I was at PolishCon are very sparkly, because I did that only because the polishes that I did buy previously, just like regular polishes, like drug brand, were just cream colors and ones that are like opaque. So here's the next one. This one is called 7 Years and Glowing. And if you look at my other collections, all the ones that I bought from PolishCon, you will find colors that are pretty similar, but they're not exact, and that's fine. I liked all the colors that I picked out. I haven't had the chance to use them all, but when you're a nail addict like I am, you tend to buy a lot. I haven't been doing that lately, but when I first started, that's what happened. This one is called Beatboxing in the Bronx. Very pretty. I love the color green in general. So pretty, yeah. You might be able to get away with 1 coat, but I always apply 2 coats when I do my nails. This is just a cream color. It's like a lavender, and let's see, it's called 98 3/4% guaranteed. Pretty interesting name. You can call it lavender, lilac, but it's very, very pretty. So let's swatch that one next. Yeah, this is also 1 quarter. And then here's another cream one. Bunks and Bug Juice. Very pretty. Nice blue. Looks more like blue purple or purple. I feel like it has more of a blue tone to it, but that's just my opinion. That one's very pretty. Oh my god, so pretty. And then This is one, let's see, this one is called the 606. I wonder what they're gonna come out with this year. I don't know where PolishCon is gonna be. I'd love to go, but I can't be spending any money on nail polish right now. Gotta take care of bills, especially medical bills for my dog, Diesel. That's cute. You can do a manicure using these two together. I might do that next. We'll see. And then the last one right here is called Shifty and Shy. Alright, so these are the one coaters. I will let these dry and then apply a second coat. Put a little bit of sesh feet on it and show you guys how they look.